Zen's Mowers. It's time for a winter update. It's been about 2 weeks. Yes, I've been sick. Haven't been feeling the best. But let me go grab my light. I'll get back on this in a second. Back to the shed. I've got a working light. Take you on the rack of engines. Here's a Briggs. I dropped it today. I've had this Briggs for a while. It's in the top shroud and some other parts. That's that snowblower engine. That 212's been down for a clutch. I put a clutch on there for the go-kart project, and there's the old 3 3/4 classic flathead back in the corner. Blue Max is right here, and got the 3-wheel bike. I've been meaning to make a video on it. It's needing some work. Here is the Troy built push mower that I got for free about 2 weeks ago. That blower, and there's some random stuff in the corner. The go-kart. These are the 2 bicycles that I got with all that, with that 4 for $200 special. This I'm probably gonna fix. I think that's got 26-inch wheels. And maybe my next trip up to Walmart I'll grab some tubes. Probably go ahead and sell this. If it doesn't sell soon, I'll grab some tubes and throw in it. But we're gonna get ready for segment 2. We're gonna go ahead and get the final segment of this done, starting with the Briggs 3-horse flathead. I've gotten it down to mostly bare metal. Here's my hot dog job. Did fairly decent. We're going to be going over that tomorrow, now that I'm not sick. And that's my fuel tank, and my air hat's buried. My custom Maslin Tiger mini bike paint job is here, out of the shop. I got my toolboxes over here. Now, there's some paint and mini bike parts on that cooler. We're going over here to the Toro Smart Stow 7 1/4 Briggs overhead valve. It does have the bagger. It's buried back there for the winter. And under here, which is my grill and toolboxes, is my MTD mower. I'll probably make a push mower video. And I'm going to leave you guys with some updates here. Just give me a minute. The updates. I'm running an ad through Facebook. Hopefully we get some free mowers soon. Free and discounted mowers, that is. Not paying a bunch of money for mowers that don't really run. And we're going to get back in this shop. We're going to get this stuff fixed and get it going. But yeah, if you're new to this channel, like my videos and subscribe. Anybody that's existing, please get us more subscribers. And I'll leave you with that. Enjoy the rest of your evening, and we'll see you next time.